Hi everyone, I'm Elisa Shapiro. I'm going to be your instructor for your financial accounting course this semester. I wanted to make this video just to show you how to get started and how to navigate the course and maybe point out some important things you need to know. So to get started, I go to Lion's Den up here. You can that's the web address lionsden.raritanval.edu. You can sign in using your G number and password. So please make sure those are always current. Then you will see your course. These are my courses, so this page will look a little different for me than it does for you. But you'll see your financial accounting course. Click on it to enter. This brings you right to Canvas. So we work with Canvas at RV, and here is the course. You're going to be brought to a welcome page, a home page, and I ask that you read this page. Once you do, you will see that it directs you to go over to modules. So the white background, this menu with the white background is our course navigation. Modules can be found there. When you click on modules, you're going to see all the course modules. This is basically our course content. This is really how you're going to navigate the course. So let's look at just a couple of them. The first module is getting started. When I click on that, there's a text page and I can open that up. And here I have some really important information for you. One thing that I suggest you do first is to print and thoroughly read your course syllabus. All right, so you can download that and take a look. All the information you need to know about every assignment, how to complete the discussion boards for full points, what's the grade breakdown, what is our calendar of due dates, everything is in that syllabus. So keep that handy and refer to it often. I also have some additional information, discussion board, homework questions. There's a link here on how to buy the book if you haven't already done that. Please know that the access code for MyLabs is an absolute must. That is how you complete all your assignments other than discussion boards is through MyLabs. So you need that access code. And the last item here is the introduction link. So that's your first discussion board post. Read the instructions and then post accordingly. This really is used so that we get to know each other, tell a little bit something about yourself, and then respond to your peers. So that's the getting started module. After that, we're ready to start our technical work in the course. I'm going to show you chapter 1. All the chapter modules are set up similarly. So if I go to chapter 1 and I click on the text page, here I have an introduction. It lists out for me, in this particular instance, 1 through 6, everything I need to do to complete the chapter. It will tell you to read the chapter, look at the learning objectives, review the PowerPoint, so on and so forth. And then you will see in some of the points links. These are your assignments. You have to access all your assignments that are MyLab assignments through Canvas. So you can't go into MyLabs externally. You must use these links which are in Canvas. So if I click on one, and it's not open yet, but if I click on this animated lecture assignment, oh, this one is, so I must open it a day early. Once you have access, you will see the problems here and you can click on them one at a time. This is all done through MyLabs, okay? I click on it and it gives me the problems as I assign them in MyLabs, but you're completing it through Canvas. This way that your MyLabs grade will come over and fall into your grade book in Canvas, okay? So this is an example of your homework. Now, I just clicked on it and went right in. The first time you click on an assignment link, you will be asked to register and enter the code you purchased. That's the MyLab access code. When you do that one time, you will then be registered for the rest of the course and you will get in just as you saw I got in. Okay, so that is, here we go. That is my spiel on homework and MyLabs. The other assignment every chapter has is a discussion board, right? This is where you can ask questions on homework, help each other out, relate a work story if this is something you've heard about before or an interesting article you read regarding accounting. There's always something you could come up with to write about. All right. Down below are your PowerPoints, and sometimes I have other resources available to you. So definitely check those out. One more thing I'd like to show you regarding your resources, wrong screen, is this right now I'm in MyLab. So when you go in to do your homework or when you're in Canvas on the left, you will see Pearson MyLab. You can get into MyLabs through Canvas and look for this menu. Right here it says multimedia. When I click on multimedia, it gives me options. What chapter do I want to see the multimedia resources for? I'm going to choose chapter 1, and I'm going to suggest to you that you click on videos. These are very well done, quick little videos prepared by the publisher, and they can help you with a particular learning objective or explain it better. You can stop them, you can rewind them, things like that. Okay, so this one, for example, is 9 minutes. All right, and if you know of a particular issue in the lesson that you're having a problem with, you can look for the corresponding video, or you can just do all of them. All right, so leave some time in your schedule to look at those videos. Okay, so chapter 1, what I just showed you, every chapter is organized very similarly, so they'll all look alike. The only other modules you have to be concerned with are, you will see 2 modules that only have a discussion board attached to them. There are 2 of them. You have 2 research post assignments. They're usually fairly light. You can look up the information on the internet, give your opinions, things like that. But there are the 2 research posts. And then there's these exam modules. When it's time for our first exam, and that's not the date, so don't get worried. When it's time for the exam, you'll click on this link. Okay, and that's the link for the test. It will also be through MyLabs, so everything is done through Canvas. That is really the important stuff I wanted to show you. I look forward to reading all your introduction posts and getting to know each of you a little bit better. All right, take care, and good luck tomorrow. Bye-bye.